Here, Buster. Buster. Buster, you and Dad have to put this together.
You gonna help?
It's from Pawaii. You got work to do. Yeah.
You go.
Get the directions. Yeah.
You wanna read them?
Open it. You're getting really good at unboxing. It's orange. It's your favorite color.
No, it's...
There you go. Take the plastic out.
Okay. Ready?
Yeah? Are you ready, boss? I think that's a filter.
Yeah, I'm just gonna
Yeah.
try to do it without reading.
Buster, you're a great helper.
I'm trying to do it one-handed.
Here, Buster, get on the table.
And there's
Might go on that.
the filter
Mhm.
and the charger. Okay. Yes. There you go.
All right, Buster.
So
Buster approved. Trying to decide between the two. What do you think? Oh. Oh, you made your decision. The Pawaii automatic water feeder is what Buster chose. See, it's not just for dogs and cats. It's for parrots too. Don't worry. All the other dogs have not drank out of this. I just put it down for Buster. And I'm actually probably going to move it in an area where he can just use it, because I know he'll really be into it. I think Max is a little big for it, and then my two little dogs, I think it's a little taller for them. So this is gonna be for Buster. And Pawaii has been kind enough to do a giveaway. So if you comment, like, and subscribe, and then put in the comments done, I have a family member that's gonna randomly just close their eyes and pick one that's followed all those steps, and they're going to send you one. And unfortunately, it's just for U.S. Residents only. But I do plan on doing some sort of giveaway abroad at some point as soon as I figure it out. But thank you guys for watching. Do you love it? See, automatic water bowls are not just for cats and dogs. Ferrets love them too. Say thank you, Pawaii, for my new toy.